Greetings, cosmic data divers and friends. Welcome to PaperLedge, the show that slices through the dense jungles of academic research and serves up the juicy, insightful bits. Today, we're strapping on our theoretical spelunking gear and venturing into a fascinating study about how to make AI more useful and trustworthy in the world of nonprofit program evaluation. Now, have you ever wondered why so many nonprofits are still hesitant to embrace the AI revolution? It's not for lack of interest, that's for sure. The reality is many AI models feel like black boxes. You feed in data, and outcomes magically appear, but the why remains shrouded in mystery. It's like trying to understand the weather by only looking at the forecast. You know what's coming, but you have no idea about the atmospheric dance that created it. This is where our featured paper comes in, titled Integrating Transparent Models, LLMs, and Practitioner-in-the-Loop, a case of nonprofit program evaluation. It's a mouthful, I know, but the core idea is surprisingly elegant. How can we pair the predictive power of AI with the transparency and human insight that nonprofits desperately need? The study, spearheaded by G. Ma and Albert Casella, tackles this very problem in the context of a college scholarship program. They're not just throwing algorithms at the wall to see what sticks. Instead, they've designed a system that puts practitioners, the case managers working directly with students, squarely in the driver's seat. So, let's take a stroll through the key sections of this paper. Think of it as a visit to a carefully designed AI laboratory, where each room reveals a new layer of insight. First stop, the data source room. Imagine a vast archive filled with stories of thousands of students, their academic records, financial circumstances, personal challenges. This data, collected over years by the scholarship program, forms the raw material for the AI to learn from. But here's the catch, about 75% of these students graduate on time. That creates a data imbalance, making it harder to identify those at genuine risk. It's like searching for a few specific stars in a sky full of constellations. Next, we step into the predictive and explanatory models room. Now, here's where things get interesting. Instead of using a complex, black box model, like a neural network, the researchers opted for a decision tree. Why? Because decision trees are inherently transparent. They visually map out how different factors lead to specific outcomes. Think of it like a flowchart that guides you through a series of questions. Is the student's GPA above a certain level? Do they have significant loan debt? Each branch represents a different path, ultimately leading to a prediction of whether the student is likely to graduate on time. But the magic doesn't stop there. They then feed these decision trees into a large language model, an LLM, to generate clear, case-specific explanations for each student. It's like having a cosmic interpreter who can translate the cold, hard data into a human story. Imagine this. A case manager receives an alert that student X is at risk. Instead of just seeing a risk score, they get a plain language explanation. Student X is flagged because their GPA dropped this semester, and they're working extra hours to cover expenses. Students in similar situations have benefited from reduced workloads and increased tutoring. Suddenly, the data becomes actionable. Now, you might be wondering, why involve the case managers at all? Can't the AI just do its thing? That's where the practitioner-in-the-loop approach comes in. The researchers actively involved case managers in every step of the process, from choosing which data points to consider, to refining the AI's explanations. It's like tuning a cosmic instrument with the wisdom of experienced musicians. This isn't just about making the AI more accurate, it's about building trust. As the paper points out, AI adoption in the nonprofit sector isn't just about technical prowess, it's about ensuring fairness, safety, and ethical deployment. And that brings us to the final room, usability assessment. Here, the researchers put their system to the test, asking case managers to rate the AI-generated explanations on factors like usefulness, transparency, and safety. The results were illuminating. The explanations were generally perceived as helpful and safe. Interestingly, adding program-specific knowledge to the LLM prompts significantly improved the perceived fairness and safety of the explanations. So, what are the key takeaways from this study? First, transparent models, like decision trees, can be surprisingly powerful, especially when paired with the explanatory power of LLMs. Second, involving practitioners in the AI development process is crucial for building trust and ensuring ethical deployment. And third, a knowledge base grounded in human expertise can significantly improve the relevance and actionability of AI recommendations. This research offers a viable pathway for responsible AI adoption in the public and nonprofit sectors. It shows that AI can be a powerful tool for good, but only if it's wielded with transparency, human insight, and a deep understanding of the context. As we conclude our exploration of this fascinating paper, I hope you're left with a sense of wonder and excitement about the potential of AI to transform the world for the better. The journey has just begun, and the possibilities are as vast as the cosmos itself. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep pushing the boundaries of knowledge. Until next time, this is Ernis, signing off from PaperLedge.